Golpe Lima me gusta. Ey, me respondió que sí, que se vio un parche un día de esto. Por la noche me llegó con esa ropita ajustada. Quiero un parche como amigos, dice, pero solo dice. Baby, que tú estés bien fina, con ese Versace divina. ¿Sabes qué vinimos a hacer? ¿Qué vinimos a hacer?
Yes, babes, welcome back to my channel. All the Fire 777. Yep, that is it. So today is Friday and we're hitting the road. Get what I'm saying? Yes. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. So it's a Friday. I'm in Grand Cayman. It's in the road as usual. You know, it's a working day. No time to play. So love what you do what you love and do it to the best of your ability. That is it. Stick and stay with me and take you on the journey. Friday in Grand Cayman. It's the weekend. Woo! Yes, babes, I'm heading into Georgetown, Grand Cay. That is it. Yeah, heading into Georgetown. So stick and stay with me. Today is very sunny, but we could have possibly have showers in the afternoon. Yeah, I'm a weatherman now. Reading the weather forecast. Yeah, the day is bright, but it's a little bit gloomy, so we could have showers later on. So just stick and stay with me. That is it. We're passing a big hotel owned by Uncle Art. Yes. This Kimpton Seafire, biggest hotel in Grand Cayman. Yeah. That is it. This is the Caribbean. The Caribbean. Yeah. No place like the Caribbean. Yeah. True Caribbean life. Lot of sunshine. Beautiful beaches. Yeah. That is it. So just stick and stay with me and take up on the journey. One fire, all the fire. That is it. Yeah, and we are by Regatta. We are by Regatta. And by Regatta here, as you see, here is where the car wash guys also come to wash. There's not a lot of car wash guys over here today. Yeah, you know, I got them and wash. I know the guys that not normally wash the cars are mainly Jamaicans. So not a lot today. So there's a few. One up there. And two down here. Yeah. Okay, so this is Regatta. So we're taking it into Georgetown. We're going to Georgetown. Yes, so peeps, I'm just trying to kill time because I have a 12:30 appointment and now it's like 11:21, but I have someone else call me, but I can't go to that person as yet or else I'm gonna be late for my 12:30 appointment. And I already missed the person yesterday. I missed the person. I couldn't get to go at 12 o'clock. So I don't want to disappoint. There's a new client. I don't want to disappoint again. Because when you disappoint people, I tend to think that you're not reliable. So I'm gonna have to postpone this one. So I'm gonna have to call the customer and tell him, so yo, I have to postpone it, sir. Because I have a 12:30 gonna finish in that time, and I'm not gonna hurry up one customer could have deal with one more. But that's not good when you do a quick job and not do it properly. So may I say, yeah. So they'll stick and stay with me. So I pass another big hotel here, this Caribbean Club. Yeah. And West Bay Road. Grand Cayman. Yeah. That is it. Until the public bus looking came and that's a public bus just passed. Yeah. So we are on West Bay Road. Yeah. So we're there on West Bay Road, we're there on West Bay Road. West Bay Road, we're on West Bay Road. Yeah. That is it. So I think I'm gonna have to stop at the gas station because my back right tire seems like it needs some air, so I'm gonna put some air in it. Yeah. So today is Friday. Later on the road gonna be extremely congested. On Fridays the streets are normally more congested. Yeah. So here we're at the gas station. Going to get some air. I wanna get some here. Yeah. Oh. So much vehicle line up here with it. The air pump. Is this for real? And trust me, I'm not the kind of guy that love line and stuff. I don't like to wait long. I like to be on the move. So in the meantime, in between time, let me call this customer. Let me call this customer back. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, bro. It's 11:25 now. I remember that I have a 12:30 appointment also. Yeah, and I didn't want to be late for that one because I don't want to have to rush your car to deal with that one. So I was wondering if I could come back to you. You leaving work early?
Yeah. Alright, since that one was before me, go ahead and line that up then.
Oh.
Updating or show you.
Alright, cool. Sorry about that, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, cool. Yeah. Yes, I like to honk my horn and I need the bridge sound funny. Yes, peeps, so we're headed into Georgetown. So yes, peeps, we're at World Gym. This is Snooze Lane. Grand Cayman and other car wash guys out here also washing them cars. A good amount of them out there, car wash there. Yeah. And things. So this is the gym, World Gym. Right here. So let me get a park right here. What's up, bloods? Are there, man? Yeah. Yeah, so sleeps. Let's park properly. Yes, that is it. So that is it. We're out here without fear. Yeah. Yeah, and the guys, I'm out here work on a Friday. Yeah, and we out here too. So on Tesla, yeah? Yeah, ready to watch a Tesla. I might get money to watch Tesla, see eh? Elon must send that one if you watch special, don't that? Elon must send that one here. Yeah, Elon must want you watch that one here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this guy watch for Elon Musk specially.
Email him from yesterday.
Okay. No, next time don't email her next time, have a female though. Yeah. Yeah. So see there is a black Tesla I'm gonna deal with now. Look how it's dirty. So this dirty, this is like so shitty. So when you're done with it, it got the extremely clean. Yeah, look at it. It's really dirty. Yeah? Yeah, and see another Jamaican up there, so I start out another. This is a taxi. And I get a taxi clean. See that? Taxi up there, so. Oh yourself. When I get there, I remember you. Yeah, this is a taxi. So this is taxi in Cayman. So you have taxi and you have public bus. So this is taxi that mostly carry tourists. Or you gotta call them. See the number, you gotta call a taxi to get a taxi. Something like a Uber in America or wherever you are. Yeah. But taxi in Jamaica carry public people, passengers and whatever, but taxi don't really carry public passengers. You have to call them like a Uber. Yeah, so look at this. See my fix it up here. The rim look, the tire look I should say. Shiny. Yeah. So out here without fear on a Friday. Yeah. Now the hot sun, as they say. The sun is very hot. And there is no getting used to it. Trust me. The sun is so hot. Yeah, and since
we don't bus my youth.
Yeah, boss. Yeah, and this guy have a small tank. Unlike me, got a big tank. Tank in my bus is practically too big. But this is the right size to have in the bus. Yeah, more space. Yeah. You was to clean on mine one? Oh, that's where you go. Yeah, so this is yeah. And this guy, yeah. And this guy spray some degrease up on the tire first, on the tire and the rim, in order to get off the grease and dirt and grime and everything off it. Yeah. And so interesting, not really dressed like a regular car wash guy. Then car wash guy are bossy. Because they're Jamaican them. Yeah.
Professional.
They are professionals, not just car wash guys. They are sorry, I shouldn't say car wash guys. I should say professional detailer. Because we not just wash car, they do everything else, the car, shampoo, everything else. Yeah. So check him out now. Yeah. Yeah, so I have to wash off the dirt off it first. Yeah. That is it. So it's a lot of work in the sun. It's not easy. It might look simple and easy, but trust me, detailing work, not easy in the sun. Tough. You gotta be strong, not just physically but mentally. Yeah. So, you get that from here, okay. Yeah, you gotta be strong. Yeah, so this is the easiest way to put the soap on it, to get soap on the vehicle. This is the easiest way. So this is the easiest way now. Now it's easier to wash. After spraying the soap on it, this is how easy. No bucket needed. Just take a rag and soap off the vehicle. Far easier. Yeah. Less bending down and all of that. So this is how we do it. Yeah. This is how detailers do it in Cayman. Grand Cayman. Yeah. Just stick and stay. When you finish up, you can see the rest of it. One fire, all fire. Yes, so this is guys watching over the car to get it extremely clean. So I do it. Yeah, that is it. Yeah. Yeah, so far easier, as I said, than to use a bucket. Just blow off at the soap off of it. And that's it. So just check it over back again when it's finished completely. Like a brand new Tesla. So you can see one fire, all the fire. Yeah, so this guy got a vacuum evening inside it. That's the thing I like about Tesla. Yeah. I want one of these. We can get one. One is to edit movie. Yeah, it's big like, you know, iPad. That's the only thing I like. That's the only thing I like about Tesla. Only thing I like about it. This.
This is the key.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Is that a key? So a key, Tesla key look like? This is crazy, don't it?
Yeah, go right here.
Wow. So that's the key?
The car?
Yeah. Wow. Just imagine, look at the Tesla key. Even it's crazy. It's more like a credit card. Oh. Yeah, so yes, peeps, this brother and I done with the carrot, so I'm gonna have to run because I have another appointment. So sorry, I can see when he finish it, but he might finish it and it'll look good when he finish it. Yeah, see it look already. So I'm gonna start up, I'm gonna do the tire them first. I do the body of the carrot, yes. Yet. But I got to run, so you know. But I know I'm gonna deal with it properly. Still. So when I use it up, I say, if all car and I get vehicle. No, I'm not really video all car to let it show. I'm not really video all car. Me video car like, you know, newer car, newer model car. So when I say, brother, look a bit. I'm not go all car. Look a bit, yo. Alright. I said I'm video old car and I said no, I'm not video old car. No disrespect to people who drive older car. No disrespect. Yeah, so back on the road again. So as I said I have a 12:30 appointment. Yeah. So that is it, people. So stick and stay with me on the journey. Yes. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So may I say, blacks! Yeah, one fire, all the fire. And people, just please, when you watch a video, just like it, just press the like button. It costs nothing to like. If you're not even subscribed, which is, I love your subscription, I love when you subscribe, just press the like button, please, press the like button. Because when you press the like button, then the algorithm go up and then YouTube start recommend the video to everybody else. So please press the like button. Please press the like button. Praise, like, comment, share, praise. May I say? Yeah. Please, just press the like button pan whatever you're watching now. You gadgets. I know some most of you watch from your cell phones and stuff like that, or tablet or wherever you watch from. Even your TV. Press the like button. You know, whenever time I watch a video, I always remember to press the like button. Yes, I press the like button because I understand. So it's just becoming normal to me to press the like button and to like somebody's video. So please press the like button. Just like the video. Like the video! Woo! Yes, press the like button. Yeah, help me to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. Yeah, that is it. So stick and see. I promise to give you some good content. Yeah, one fire, all the fire. So in front of me there's a little what is it called this now? A little bike that do delivery. Yeah. So a little bit a 3-wheel bike. Hungry? Let's see it. That's what it says. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it says. So we are heading onto the waterfront, Grand Cayman. Yeah, that is it. See? No ships out there today, Friday. No ships on the waterfront. No ships on the waterfront today, Friday. Yeah, so I'm going to pick up at Burger King. Now I'm going to pick up what this guy doing. I'm going to pass him. Yeah. See, beautiful Caribbean. Yeah. Isn't it lovely? Yeah. Female on a bike. Yeah. Some female like bikes. So I have like 9 minutes to reach wherever I'm going. I'm not sure where I'm going, I have an idea. There's a new customer, as I said before. Yeah. So they're on the waterfront. Waterfront. Yeah. Yes, today is very clear out here today. No tourists today. No tourists today, Friday. Just a ship that, or a boat rather, that pick up containers. Oh. Yeah. Oh God. Yawning. I wonder if I'm hungry. I don't know if I'm hungry. I'm more like hungry already. No. Yeah. But stick and stay with the people taking up on a journey. On fire. Holy fire.
Un día me envió que cuál peli más me gusta. Ey, me respondió que sí, que se veía un parche un día de esto. Por la noche me llegó con esa ropita ajustada. Que era un parche como amigos, dice, pero solo dice. Baby, que tú estés bien fina con ese Versace.
Yes, babes, and I think I'm near to where I'm going. Because I've never been there before. So let's see how it goes. Yeah. Oh Lord. It's a very hot day in the Caribbean here. Grand Cayman. Yeah. You can see nice apartments. Oh, that's real nice apartments. Babes, I'm finished with this job here and I'm leaving. I don't video everybody, customers' house and stuff like that. Yeah. So I'm finished here, but my tire is almost flat. My tire is not doing good. Oh, it's very soft. See? You can see it very soft. So let's try and see if we get some air in it quick. Yeah. So, stick and stay with me. Travel on a journey. In a Grand Cayman on a Friday afternoon. Yeah. Pass because I'm not driving any faster. Yeah. Yes, peeps, so stick and stay. Yeah, one fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. That is it. Nah, I'm a lie.
Con ese Versace divina, no hay conciencia, bebé, y lo sabemos también.
Hold on, darling. Yes, peeps, after I come back, I used to still at work same way. Nice one. Look how him burn up. Look how him burn up. Because the sun that came at that, I used to was a brown boy. You see him burn up? And he's still at work. Still up on your work. Yeah, that's how you go. Life of a Jamaican in a Cayman, you know? Only Jamaicans alone can manage the sun. The sun is extremely hot. Hot. Okay? Real hot. Please. Go and burn up. Brown boy. You know a black like me. Yeah, I make the BMW look like a BMW again. Yeah. Life of a Jamaican in Cayman. Yeah, start out it proper. Move up time now, wash off time now. Yes, hold on. Yes, peeps, so see it now? You done the BMW now, sun kinda cool on you now. Yeah, so life of Jamaicans in Grand Cayman. Working in the sun. After the sun hot, they work. Then I get the rim and proper clean up, then put on the tire shine. Yes, peeps, so it's a Friday. Yeah. Start early in the morning and it's like to 5 now. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, like up the video. Watch all of the video, then help me reach 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 watch hour. 4,000 watch hour. Yeah. So love what you do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. One fire, all the fire. Peace out.
Baby, que tú estés bien fina, con ese Versace divina. No hay conciencia, bebé, y lo sabemos también. Dime, me envió que cuál peli más me gusta. Y me respondió que sí, que se veía un parche un día de esto. Por la noche me llegó con esa ropita justa. Quiero un parche como amigos, dice.